Hey there, I got this Lockwood 334B padlock not long ago. I traded it with Do Not Duplicate, a picker down in Australia. I wanted this and he wanted a best, and so we traded. Tell you what, international shipping from Australia to North America sucks. But anyway, it's quite a fun lock. Go ahead and pick it. I really enjoy picking this. This is my first time encountering Lockwood spools, and they're fun. They require very gentle tension, and the counter rotation that you get from them is really subtle, because the difference in the two diameters is not very great. And then those really sharp little edges, you have to provide your own counter rotation and also be very careful to not overset, which I might do right here. Because the head of the spool is so short, it's really easy to overshoot. All right, I think I overset somebody. Let's see. Oh, maybe it came down. Pin 2, is that the one? Four, 5 again. Oh yeah, 5. There we go. Apologies if you can hear all the road noise out there. I generally film at night, but I don't have that luxury today. Okay, let's go ahead and get this thing open. So you can see it comes with a key and knob. That's really convenient. If you can get this actuator for something, you can put in any core you want. I guess tailpiece. So you can see it's got 5 pins, but it's drilled for 6, so one of these days I may add a 6th one. Now let's get a look at these spools. There we go, you can see how long and skinny they are. Get a closer look at the end. And a whole bunch of springs. So there we go. Get a good look at those things. So yeah, thank you to Do Not Duplicate. I couldn't be happier with this thing, and happy picking.